that would make her happy.
Okay, we want to show Trishie our cousin Huddle.
Okay.
Huddle? Huddle up, guys. This is so cool. Okay, on three.
No, can we don't scream it?
One.
Okay, say bye-bye, Aunt Trishie.
Bye-bye, Aunt Trishie.
Uncle Greggy.
And Sophie. Hi, this is Mary.
Where did those teeth go? Let me see.
You want to see mine?
Okay, we
Show
can
that
see you.
wiggler, so that in a couple days you can show her how
Oh
it's
my
out.
gosh. All I see is your tongue.
Oh.
Watch the ladder. I want to go watch the ladder.
All right, now I see more than I need to up there. Good.